Welcome to Kerminyat's channel. Today we will talk about the most reliable engine options for a second-hand Audi A4 B8. The B8 generation of the Audi A4 was produced from 2008 to 2015 and was a popular choice for drivers who wanted a luxury car that was also practical and reliable. But with so many engine options available, it can be difficult to know which one to choose if you're buying the car second-hand. In this video, we'll go over the most reliable engine options for the Audi A4 B8. The Audi A4 B8 was offered with a variety of engine options, ranging from a basic 1.8-liter four-cylinder to a powerful 3.2-liter V6. In terms of reliability, there are a few engines that stand out as being the most reliable options. The first engine we'll discuss is the 2.0-liter TDI engine. This is a turbocharged four-cylinder diesel engine that produces between 120 and 174 horsepower, depending on the specific model and year. The 2.0-liter TDI engine is known for being reliable and fuel efficient, with few reported issues. It's also known for its smooth and responsive power delivery. The second engine option that we recommend for its reliability is the 1.8-liter TFSI engine. This is a turbocharged four-cylinder petrol engine that produces between 118 and 168 horsepower, again depending on the specific model and year. The 1.8-liter TFSI engine is known for being reliable and efficient, with few reported issues. It's also known for its smooth and refined power delivery. Finally, we also recommend the 3.0-liter TDI engine. This is a turbocharged V6 diesel engine that produces 240 or 245 horsepower, depending on the specific model and year. While it's a more powerful engine, it's also known for being reliable and relatively trouble-free. It's also known for its strong and smooth power delivery. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable engine option for a second-hand Audi A4 B8, we recommend the 2.0-liter TDI, 1.8-liter TFSI, and 3.0-liter TDI engines. These engines are known for their reliability, efficiency, and relatively trouble-free ownership experience. Of course, it's important to remember that every car is different and there are always exceptions to the rule. It's always a good idea to have any used car inspected by a trusted mechanic before you buy it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.